It was a moment of mixed emotions as the remains of late brother Ikechukwu Nwaka was laid to rest in his hometown, Okpuno Etiti Abojioba, in the Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. The late brother Nwaka, aged 65, was the husband of Ngozi Nwaka of the ABS program department Onitsha. Ifunanya Nwakwo filed in the report.
Drew a large crowd of family members, friends, well-wishers, colleagues, as well as members of ABS family, including the ABS Farm Club, who were present in full support to console their colleague and sister, Ngozi Nwaka, in her time of grief. In a message themed, "If a man dies, shall he live again?" the officiating minister of God's Kingdom Society, Brother Emmanuel Oriako, emphasized that although death is inevitable, it is not the end of man. Reminding all of God's promise to resurrect the righteous, urged everyone to live upright lives while they still have the opportunity. The managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Mr. Chris Moloku, represented by the head of Program Department ABS Onitsha, Chief O.C. Nwashelo, extended heartfelt condolences to the Nwaka family. In an emotional tribute, Brother Chika Nwaka, the elder brother of the deceased, described him as a true gentleman, God-fearing, loving, and generous, calling on his children to uphold the Christian value and legacy their father left behind. His son, Master Ikechukwu Nwaka, remembered his father as a kind-hearted man who taught them to trust completely in God and to always value family unity and peace. The ceremony featured a variety of touching moments, interment, traditional dances, and condolences.
That God has promised to raise the dead and to bring them back to life again and reward them.
From Oba, Ifunanya Nwakwo reporting for ABS.